student, in previous videos we have studied about that lesson is about the three brothers. That brother was very honest, kind and hard working. Student, the first one was a shopkeeper, the second middle one was the priest and third one was that is the learning a trade. Now see student, we have seen one day the father's friend came there at their home and he told to her mother, their mother, I am getting old now and my only one I have a daughter and she also now marriageable. That's why I am looking a son-in-law. He will be good. He will be good he will be a good husband of my daughter, as well as he would be look my all business. Okay, that's why they decided a plan. Now see student, next day what happened, he took the 3 sacks of rice and gave the 3 of them that brothers, and he told them, I am going outside for a few months. Please look after this sack of rice till I come back. Now see student, next part is that the friend went away. Many months passed but he did not return. It was nearly a year before he came back. He visited the eldest brother first. The elder brother welcomed him and gave him a small purse full of money. Uncle, you had left a sack of rice with me. After a few months, I was worried that it may get spoiled. Therefore, I sold the rice to my customers. Here is the money I got. Please accept it. Thank you, my boy. You are such an honest person. Now see student, what happened. That friend went away and he did not come early. He came after 1 year. Okay, when he came, he visited first that elder brother. Okay, he was a shopkeeper. When he visited that time, he gave a small purse that was the full of money. Okay, and he told that, uncle, you didn't come early. That's why I worried about that rice will be spoiled. Okay, that will be spoiled and destroyed. That's why I gave this rice to my customer. He was shopkeeper. That's why he sold that rice, and here is that money of this rice. He told that father's friend. Now see, father's friends also said, thank you, my boy. You are such honest person. You are very honest person. Now see student. Then the friend went to see the middle brother, who was a priest. The priest greeted him with joy and affection. He said, uncle, remember you had left a sack of rice with me a year ago. Okay, I had kept it for many months, but then I worried that may get spoiled. I distributed the rice among the poor in your name. They all blessed you for satisfying their hunger. However, I did that without your permission, and I am willing to pay you back for the rice. No, my boy, you acted wisely and kindly. The blessing that I got from the poor people are enough for me. Please don't even think about the money anymore. Now see student, he took that small that money purse and he went near the middle brother. He was a priest. Student, he also greeted that uncle with the love and affection. Affection means student love. Okay, joy and affection. He said, uncle, you remember you have left a sack of rice before 1 year. Okay, I had kept it for many months. After that, I worried about that may spoil, that will be spoiled. That's why I distributed among the poor people. Okay, I distributed that sack of rice among the poor people, and what do we say? They all bless you. They all bless you for satisfying their hunger. When they eat this rice, ate that rice, they gave you bless. Okay, bless, and because of that satisfying their hunger. Okay. However, I did that without your permission, but I have did that all without your permission, and if you want money of that rice, I will ready to give you. Okay. That time the father's friend said, my boy, you acted wisely and kindly. The blessing I got from the poor people, that is enough for me. Okay, you distributed that rice among the poor people, and that people gave me bless. Okay, and that bless is enough for me. I didn't want money. Okay, he said. Okay, now see student, when the friend went to the visit the youngest son, okay, small younger one son, he too welcomed him with love and respect, but he said that he had a confession to make. The sack of rice was lying with me for a long time, but then I had an idea. I often go to a neighboring farm to help with the work. I borrowed an unused plot of land for the farmer. I exchanged the sack of rice for the paddy and sowed the paddy in the plot. Fortunately, the crop grew well and yielded 25 sacks of rice. I have kept back 5 of sacks and sold 20 of them. Here is the money. If you allow, I would like to keep a part of it as my share, considering the labor and money I spent to get it all done. Now see student, he went to the youngest son. He was a trader, okay, and he also welcomed that father's friend with the respect, with the affection, okay, and he told that father's friend, I had to do a confession. Okay, confession means a statement indicating that one is guilty for something wrong. Means that the youngest that son want to confess his mistake, what he had done without taking permission of that father's friend. He told that the sack of rice was lying for many months. Okay. After that, but then I had an idea. Okay, I often go neighboring farm to help them to work there. And that's why what I do, I took a unused plot and I exchanged that sack of rice. You gave that sack of rice, I exchanged and took the paddy. Paddy means that rice is suitable for to taking the crop, okay, of the rice, okay, paddy, and sow the paddy in the plot. And fortunately, what happened, student? The crop grew well and yielded how many sacks of rice got them? Yes, 25. And he told that father's friend, I have kept 5 sacks of rice, and I sold the 20 sack of rice, and here is the money of that 20 sack of rice, and can I put that 5 sacks for me as considering my labor and money I have spent, okay, to get all done. Means for farming, we all know that we would need labor for the water, work hard, okay. For that I kept 5 sacks. That time when the father's friend listened, that time a wide smile spread on the father's face. He had found his future son-in-law. Student, when that youngest brother's statement, the father's friend listened, he got happy because now he got his future son-in-law. He was finding about such as the type of the son-in-law. Okay student, in this way we have studied whole lesson. The name of our lesson is the sack, 3 sacks of rice. Now see student, the first one who was a shopkeeper, that's why he sold the that sack of rice to his customer, okay, and gave money to the other's friend. The second one was the priest, that's why he worried about that rice, and that's why he distributed among the poor people and take bless for the father's friend. And the third one, youngest one, he was also worried about that sack of rice, that's why he had an idea. He took an unused plot, and there is he took the production of that rice. He exchanged the sack of rice and took paddy, and there took the crop of the rice, and he got 25 sacks of rice, and out of them 5 he kept for him as considering the labor and work and spend money for all it done, and 20 he sold in market and took money and gave to the father's friend. Okay, in this way student, the large means good thinking that youngest one thought about that, and he got 25 sacks from the 1 sack of rice. Okay, and that's because of his thought that father's friend got son-in-law for his marriageable daughter. Okay student, in this way we have studied. I hope you understood. Thank you. Thanks for watching.